Okay, today we are going to be doing 3 exercises with Moon Dancer and Ayla to control the horse's head and the horse's neck. Your horse needs to be able to move its head up and down and side to side and be able to give to pressure and go backwards. So our first exercise is the horse yielding to pressure up and down. She's going to ask the horse to put her head all the way down by using intermittent pressure, and if you want to start out with this, you can put a treat on the ground, and oftentimes they're very motivated. So she's going to ask the horse to put her head down, and good, you have to give her a cue of good girl and give her a treat at the end, okay? This time she gets no treat, but she has to put her head down. So now, as you practice more, use intermittent pressure and ask the horse to give its head down. It will be easier and easier. So you kind of provide a target and use intermittent pressure. So pull, pull, pull until she puts her head all the way down. Say, good girl. And she's licking and chewing because she understands. Okay, the next exercise that we're going to do is ask the horse to flex their head towards you. So you need to be in safe zone number 2. When you have the saddle, you need to be in that pocket because the horse is going to give their head towards you. Now you can do this with a halter or you can do this with a bridle. We're going to do this with a halter. Now Ayla is going to reach her hands up in a Y, okay, get close to the horse. Now bring her hand back up to the saddle and the corner where her hand would be until the horse gives its head. And as soon as she gives, she'll release. Now you can just open your hand up like that and let the reins flow through your fingers. Now you can finger crawl or slide on up, step back into the pocket and ask the horse to give. Now the farther you ask that horse to give when you're back there is going to change where the head is going to be. So right there, that's a really nice deep give, and she gave very well. It's important to release because then we want the licking and chewing that the horse does afterwards. So pull, and she nods her nose, licking and chewing. Good. Let's move on to the other side because what, Ayla?
What you do on one side, you do on the other.
Exactly. Back on the other side, Ayla's going to get deep in the pocket. Her hands are going to move up close to the halter. She's going to bring her hand back to the saddle and ask the horse to give using a little intermittent pressure. And there, nice and easy release. So now she's going to walk back up, do it again. And that was a much better flex. Now we're going to do it. We've got some licking and chewing so she understands, but see how she needs to get in and stay close to the pocket. This is also the basis of your one rein stop. So if the horse understands to give its head nice laterally, your horse will be able to stop. So one more time, please. And good. And that is flexing the horse laterally. Really, you should do this between 5 and 10 times on each side every time you're with your horse. Our third and final exercise is the straight back up. Now, Ayla is going to take her inside hand, if you are on the left side of the horse, and you are going to aim your hand in between the horse's legs. And so you're going to have to adjust how much rope you're going to need to do that. And you want the horse to give and take a step before you release. So give the cue back. You're going to be in safe zone number 1. So she gave her head back and took a step back. So you release. That was great. So again, aim your head low. She's giving her head, but now say back, and she takes a step and release. Good. So that is a good example of the straight back.
Thank you for watching today's video, and if you want to see more groundwork, check out our playlist.